Number 1. You got a little tubby. Okay. Let me feel your arm. Okay. 2. What is this hand? Oh, your ass need food. Y'all got some meat on y'all bones, okay? 3. Can you move over some? Cause I You an asshole, whoever this is. Oh, it's your skinny ass. I was gonna punch you, I'm gonna let you go. 4. Oh, this Waldo. Got to be Waldo. Is your hair, you got a haircut? Okay, I'm gonna just put my hand under. Oh, you got nice hair. Don't be sucking in your stomach. All right, 5. Ooh, juicy. Okay, I already know who I'm eliminating.
Alright, so out of all 5, who you eliminating?
The one that I said is skinny, so it's gonna have to be, I think that was 3.
Number 3? Step up, number 3. Why you eliminating number 3?
Who's number 3? He don't got no meat on his bones. I need a nigga that could pick me up. He too weak.
Means I real life sorry, some like your rails.
Alright. So now we gonna move on to hearing. You have to say whatever. Hi, hey, your name, whatever. So go ahead.
Alright, 1.
What's your name?
Say something else.
What?
Number 2.
What's up?
3. Or 4.
Can I get your number?
5.
Yeah, I did.
I'm gonna have to eliminate 1.
Why are you eliminating them?
I know I'm gonna end up blocking him just because his voice by itself.
Tough.
Yeah, my name go. Alright, so now we're gonna move on to smell. Sense of smell. So we got number 2, 4, and 5.
Okay. 2. What does it smell like? I don't know what you use to wash your laundry, but it smells good. 4? I think? Yeah. Boy, was they cooking before you came? 5. I don't know what that is, but that shit smells good as hell. I'm gonna eliminate cooked food. Cause you smell like cooked food.
You know, so them love me like cook food.
So the next sense is taste, but we're not gonna do that. So you're gonna eliminate one more person, and then you can take off the blindfold to the last sense.
So, alright, I'm just use like their best pickup line or some shit.
Go ahead, you can do that. That's
Okay.
Good. That's good.
Who's the last two?
2 and 5.
Okay, 2. Your best pickup. Better yet, yeah, your best pickup line.
So when is the best time to give you a call?
Five. Come on, 5.
Can't hear that.
She here do it.
You can't see it, but right now my eyes is hurting. I think something wrong with them. Can't take my eyes off you.
She thinking about it. You got the chance, bro.
Number 2 or 5.
You got the chance. Think about it.
They both was cringy, I ain't gonna lie.
That's my pickup line.
But because 5 smell good, I'm gonna keep 5 and 2 gotta go.
He cheated.
Alright, you can take off the blindfold now.
That must smell like cooked food.
You cheated.
Spiked on.
Yeah, it's always your boy White Pree, man. And look, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. That was one girl blind dating 5 guys using her 5 senses. If y'all like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy White Pree.
Tell them love when you smell good. Zin, I say get girl.
Ain't gonna lie, he did cheat it. But we out.